Welcome. In this video we are going to see first shifting property. So here first of all we will say statement. This is a statement. If suppose you are having a function which is multiplied by exponential term, then we have to find its Laplace transform and there replace s by s minus a, Laplace transform of f of t. Okay, same here. If it is your function is multiplied by exponential term of negative power, then you have to find the Laplace of f of t and then replace there s by s plus a. This is the first shifting property. So let's solve an example on it. This is our example where we have to find the Laplace of e to the power 3t into cos 4t. So here by property we can write Laplace of e to the power at into f of t is equal to f of s minus a, that is Laplace of f of t, where we have to replace s by s minus a. So if we use this property, we will get here Laplace of e to the power 3t cos 4t is equal to Laplace of f of t. F of t is here cos 4t. So cos 4t, where s is replaced by s minus 3. Here value for a is 3. Now finding the Laplace of cos 4t. We know that Laplace of cos at is given by s upon s square plus a square. So here taking a Laplace of cos 4t, s upon s square plus 16 and replace here s by s minus 3. So if we replace here s by s minus 3, we will get here s minus 3 upon s minus 3 whole square plus 16. Also we can solve this denominator by opening the square bracket. We can write s minus 3 upon s square minus 6s plus 9 plus 16, that we can write s minus 3 upon s square minus 6s plus 25. So that is our final answer. I hope you understand the example. Next example we are going to solve here. Find Laplace transform of cos 4t into cos h 3t. Now see here, this is a trigonometric function and this is hyperbolic function, and we know the result for hyperbolic function. See here, cos h theta is what? E to the power theta plus e to the power minus theta upon 2. So here I can write cos h 3t equal to e to the power 3t plus e to the power minus 3t upon 2. So by property now, first of all we have to write here Laplace of cos 4t into cos h 3t equal to Laplace of cos 4t into, replace the cos h 3t by exponential values. So here we will get e to the power 3t plus e to the power minus 3t upon 2. Then opening the bracket here, what we will get? Laplace of, multiply, 1 by 2 is constant with respect to Laplace, we can keep outside, e to the power 3t cos 4t plus e to the power minus 3t cos 4t. And now by linearity property we can separate the Laplace here. So we will get Laplace of e to the power 3t cos 4t plus Laplace of e to the power minus 3t cos 4t. Okay. Now here we can use property. So by property, what is a property? Property is if your function is multiplied by an exponential term, then we can find its Laplace of f of t and after finding the Laplace, replace s by s minus a, and if it is minus a, replace s by s plus a. So using this property in our example, we can write here 1 by 2 Laplace of cos 4t. Now here it is 3, so s is replaced by s minus 3 plus, now Laplace of again cos 4t, and here s is replaced by, now this is minus 3, so s is replaced by s plus 3. And now here finding the Laplace of cos 4t with the help of this result. Okay, so we'll get here 1 by 2 s upon s square plus 16, replace here s by s minus 3 plus s upon s plus 16, and here replace s by s plus 3. So our final result will be then 1 by 2 s minus 3 upon s minus 3 whole square plus 16 plus s plus 3 upon s plus 3 whole square plus 16. So that is our final answer. Next example we are going to solve here. So here we have to find the Laplace of sin 4t e to the power minus 5t cos h 6t. So first of all, we will convert this hyperbolic function into exponential form, and result is this: cos h theta is equal to e to the power theta plus e to the power minus theta upon 2. Okay, so here we can write Laplace of sin 4t into e to the power minus 5t cos h 6t equal to Laplace of sin 4t e to the power minus 5t into e to the power 6t plus e to the power minus 6t upon 2. Now multiplying by this exponential term to the bracket, 1 by 2, it is a constant with respect to Laplace, we can keep outside, sin 4t and e to the power minus 5t into e to the power 6t, we'll get here e to the power t plus e to the power minus 5t into e to the power minus 6t, it is e to the power minus 11t. Okay, now here by linearity property, we can separate the Laplace of e to the power t into sin 4t plus Laplace of e to the power minus 11t into sin 4t. And now taking here, now by property here, now by property, Laplace of e to the power at f of t, we can write Laplace of f of t, where s is replaced by s minus a. Okay, so if we apply this property in our example, we'll get here Laplace of sin 4t, we have to replace here s by, now here value for a is 1, so s minus 1 plus Laplace of again sin 4t, and here we have to replace s by s plus 11. And now taking the Laplace of sin 4t, you can see here result sin at, a upon a square plus a square. So here it is 4 upon s square plus 16, and replace s by s minus 1 plus 4 upon s square plus 16, and replace s by s plus 11. Okay, so here we'll get final answer 4 upon s minus 1 whole square plus 16 plus 4 upon s plus 11 whole square plus 16. That is our final answer for the example. Okay, these are some examples for homework that you can try at home. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe it to get the notification for next video.